Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome to Four Wheels Empire, your go-to source for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest vehicles on the market. Today, we have something special for you, the highly anticipated 2024 Toyota RAV4. Buckle up as we dive deep into the features, performance, and design of this versatile SUV. The Toyota RAV4 turns 30 this year, and it is still obvious why the compact crossover regularly ranks as the best-selling non-pickup in the US. There's nothing flashy here. The RAV4's focus is on getting every job done without a fuss. It is practical, fuel-efficient, and rugged-looking. Available all-wheel drive systems add a little bite to the stylistic bark of an SUV that's actually best when tackling familiar suburban tasks. It offers plenty of features, and its wide price range suits shoppers of many budgets. What's new for 2024? Army Green, a paint color already seen on several of Toyota's bigger trucks and SUVs, makes its way to the RAV4 this year. The hue will be offered on the Adventure entered off-road trims as a no-cost option. A two-tone color combo will also be available for these variants, paired with either a white or a black roof. Engine, transmission, and performance. There's a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine up front making 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive comes standard on all RAV4 trims, but the Adventure entered off-road, which only come with all-wheel drive. The LE, Sleigh, and Sleigh Premium can be optioned with a simple AWD system. The more complex AWD setup on the Adventure, Limited, and entered off-road trims comes with torque vectoring and can disconnect the rear axle to improve fuel economy. At our test track, this 5th generation RAV4 proved quicker than its predecessor, with a 60 mph time of 8.0 seconds versus 8.3 seconds for the previous generation model. The RAV4 Hybrid, reviewed separately, snapped off an even quicker 7.4 second time in our testing. The workaday four-cylinder can be gruff, especially during highway passing attempts, and the transmission on our test vehicle seemed to stumble when called upon for a downshift. Workaday describes the handling as well. The compact crossover is solid and stable when cruising the interstate and competent when pitched into a twisty section of road. However, it doesn't inspire the same confidence as the Mazda CX-50. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The RAV4 earned class-competitive fuel economy estimates from the EPA. Front-wheel drive RAV4S can manage up to an estimated 35 mpg. On the highway, the all-wheel drive Adventure delivered 32 mpg for us. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, 1 mpg shy of the EPA's estimated rating for that trim. That's a fairly good result for the class. But the RAV4 was outdone in that test by the Volkswagen Tiguan, which returned 33 mpg. For more information about the RAV4's fuel economy, interior, comfort, and cargo. The RAV4's interior prioritizes occupant comfort and cubby storage, but buyers need to shop above the base LE trim for an interior with eye appeal. That LE keeps its price down with cloth seats, hard black plastics throughout, a leather-free steering wheel, and single-zone manual climate control. The Sleigh tries a little harder, adding a second two-tone cabin option as well as a few more features. The Sleigh Premium cuts the compromises, done up with fox leather upholstery, pleasant plastics, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, and a stitched and padded dashboard and center console armrest. The RAV4's rear seats are easy to stow, and they fold to a nearly flat position, opening up the cabin for cargo. We fit 10 of our carry-on suitcases behind the rear seat, and 22 with it folded. The Nissan Rogue matched the RAV4 here, but the Subaru Forester beat it by 1 in each metric. Infotainment and connectivity. Lower trims come with an 8.0-inch touchscreen, but the Limited and the entered off-road get a 10.5-inch display. The infotainment system includes a 4 grams LTE mobile hotspot and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, a JBL premium audio system, navigation, and a wireless charging pad for a smartphone are optional. Most models come with a separate 7.0-inch display in the gauge cluster, but a 2.3-inch fully digital gauge display is optional on the Sleigh Premium entered off-road and is standard on the Limited. safety, and driver assistance features. The RAV4 lineup boasts an array of standard driver assists. Buyers also can add blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, but those features cost extra on the base model. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Toyota RAV4 starts at $30,025 and goes up to $39,645 depending on the trim and options. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota RAV4 combines style, performance, and safety in a package that's ready for any adventure. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend warrior, or a family on the go, the RAV4 has something to offer. Be sure to visit your local Toyota dealership for a test drive and experience the RAV4 magic for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, drive safe and happy motoring.